What's up, everybody? No, there's nothing wrong with my camera. We're gonna build a fire with what's on us at night. You probably hear the highway in the distance. I'm sure you've heard it before in my videos. But, yeah. It's nighttime. No flashlight. Well, I have a flashlight on me. But, anyway, we're gonna try to get a fire going. Not being able to see. Here we go. So, I'm feeling around here. I know there's some downed cedars in this area. Feeling. Alright, here we go. There's some smalls. Break these off. I hope you can hear that. You know me. Practice, 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 practice. And now we have a plane flying over. Barely see it. I could signal for help if I had a flashlight or a fire already going. But I don't. Maybe this is... who knows? Right now the thought, maybe he'll come back. I need to get a fire going. It's amazing what sets in your mind when you're in the middle of nowhere at night and it's dark. So I got a handful of smalls. I kneel down here, I can't even see what's on the ground. Break these up. Search through my pants here. Pockets. A live fire. A ferro rod somewhere. Get my knife out. It's very interesting. See a lot of videos done for fire practice during the day. Do it at night. Alright, where's my tinder? Fire. Come on, come on, come on. Can you see that? Is it in shot? There we are. A live fire going. Some smalls on here. Center frame, there it is. Let that get going. See, everything's wet as well. Some grass here. It's a lot different at nighttime when you have no illumination to be spoken for. Just a quick video. Something I'd like to see more people try. We still in flame? Yeah, there we go. We're in. It's a whole different world. Everybody just thinks they're prepared. You practice, you practice, you practice. Pray you practice during the day. Anybody get a fire going. It's a different story at night. Yeah, I had a live fire on me, but it's part of my EDC. Carry it in my pocket. You know, I lucked out that in this scenario, I just happened to have my large ferro rod and my live fire still on me. I lost my axe, my pack, everything else just happens to be all I had here. It's going good now. Take this live fire. Get it snuffed out. And we got our little fire going. Ow. Live fire's warm. But here's a you can't see it. Here's the live fire. It's out of the fire, so this is sustaining itself. Practice, practice, practice is what I always say. So it's going good on its own now. Now I can get a little light. You can't see it on camera, but I'm getting light in this area. Perhaps you can see me lit up. Hello, how's it going? So it's putting off some light that I can use now to run around this site that I've chosen to bed down for the night. Got a log over here. Can't see it. But anyway, yeah. This is my open challenge to all my subscribers and anybody who comes across this video. Get you a fire going at night, in the dark. Thanks for watching, guys.